Dear children, now we are going to learn about LCM of 16 and 32. We are going to find the least common multiple of these two numbers. So, can you write the multiple of 16 and 32? 16 and 32. So, it will take more time to multiple, isn't it? So, somewhat it is the biggest number. So, you want to multiply or add again and again, and then you want to write the multiples. Instead of that, we are going to learn the proper method, division method, as like the HCF. Okay. So, first of all, you have to write the 16, leave some space between the digits and write it. 16. Now, just to think about it, what are the prime numbers? The smallest prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and it goes on, isn't it? So, first you have to take the first prime number. You can think it, this is a even number. So, definitely it can be divided by 2, isn't it? So, you can take the 2. And then you can tell the multiplication table. How many 2s are 16? 8 2s are 16. Okay. Then this is not a prime number. It can be divided, isn't it? So you can draw the line again and think over it. It's a even number. So definitely it will be divided by 2. So you can write 2. How many 2s are 8? 4. So 4 2s are 8. You can write here. And you can think over this. This 4 is not a prime number. So you can draw again 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So up to 1 you can divide like this. Okay. Up to 1 you can divide like this. Okay. So we have found the prime numbers of for 16. Now in the same way you have to write it for 32. You have to write it for 32. Shall we write? You can write here 3 2 32. Okay. Now just you can think the last number is 2. One's place is 2. So definitely this can be divided by 2. Okay. Now you can write 2. Take the prime number. We can choose the prime number 2. Now first you have to take the first digit alone. Listen carefully. You have to take the first digit alone. So you can take the 3 alone. So how many 2s are there? Just you can think it. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So it is the 3 is lying between 3 and 4. So we can write 1 here. 2 1 is 2. So 2 minus here we have 2 only, but here it has 3. So you can subtract this. 3 minus 2 1. 1 is the remainder. So just that keep the remainder here. You can consider that this is a 12. So the remainder can be carried over here and it consider as a 12, not 3. Okay. So now we have 12. So how many 12? How many 2s are 12? 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Do you remember it, Kana? 6 2s are 12. And then you can divide it again. 2. 8 2s are 16. Again you can come back to 4 2s are 8. Again. Okay, 2. So up to 1 you can commit. Okay. Now you can write the numbers, prime numbers of 16. Prime numbers of 16 you can write. How many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4. Write all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 we have written. In the same way you can write it for 32 also. 1 2 3, 4, 5 into 1. That also you can write it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply by 2 into 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have written that 1 also. Now we have to find the LCM, isn't it? Listen carefully. We need the LCM, isn't it? You can take, we have one common 2. All the common numbers we have to take. So here the 2 is a common. You can take, instead of that one common, we can write 1, 2. This is a common. So here you can write 2. This is a common number. So instead of the 2 2's, we can write 1, 2. This is a common. So this also you have to write 2. 1, 2 you can write. No need to write 2 2's. You can write 1, 2 alone. Then here we have 1. Here we have another one 2. The left out number, everything you have to write here. But in the HCF, we will not write these, the remaining, the odd numbers we will not write. Just we will take the pairs alone. But here we have to take the left out numbers also. Instead of the common, we have to write 1 1 numbers. Okay. 2 2's are there. So instead of that, we have written 1 2. 1 common, 1 2. Another 1 2. Another 1 2. But these numbers, it doesn't have a, it has 1. So we can write it. Okay. Now the left out number also we have to write. 1 is not a matter, so no need to write also. Because multiply by 1 is equal to the same number only, no? So that is not a problem. Now you can multiply these two numbers. Next you can multiply these two numbers. We have to multiply all the numbers. But if you are multiplying like this, it will be easy for you. First you can multiply these two numbers. 2 2's are 4. Okay, multiply with 2 2's are 4 into 2. Multiply these two numbers. 4 4's are 16 into 2. 16 2's are 32. So 32 is the LCM of 16 and 32. 16 and 32. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children. Have a sweet day.